Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome and thank you for being here. So today's video, I'm gonna show you how I make my vegan pancakes. First, sift the flour in a bowl and add the sugar, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon and stir to combine. In a bowl or liquid measuring cup, add the almond milk, apple cider, vinegar, and vanilla extract and stir to combine. Then, pour the liquid mixture into dry mixture and whisk until smooth. And let the batter rest for 5 minutes. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat and add 1 tablespoon coconut oil in a non-stick pan. Pour about 1/2 cup of butter onto a non-stick pan or griddle. When the top begins to bubble, flip the pancake and cook until golden brown. And cook the rest of your pancake, and once you're done or finished cooking, serve with maple syrup and your favorite fruits. Enjoy your fluffy and delicious pancakes, and thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.